How to boost your LinkedIn presence, the ultimate guide. Looking to supercharge your LinkedIn presence and unlock a world of opportunities. Curious about the ultimate guide to boosting your professional profile on the world's largest professional networking platform? Get ready to take your career to new heights as we dive into the ultimate guide on how to boost your LinkedIn presence. Let's follow the steps. Step 1. Optimize your profile. The first step to boosting your LinkedIn presence is to optimize your profile. Your profile serves as your digital resume and the first impression you make on potential connections and employers. By taking the time to optimize your profile, you increase your chances of attracting the right audience and standing out from the crowd. Start by updating your profile picture. Choose a professional and friendly image that reflects your personality and aligns with your industry. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, so make sure it accurately represents you. Next, craft a compelling headline. Your headline should be concise yet descriptive, highlighting your expertise, skills, or unique value proposition. When it comes to your summary, make it captivating and engaging. Use this space to showcase your skills, accomplishments, and the value you bring to the table. Keep it concise but impactful, giving readers a clear understanding of who you are and what you can offer. As you continue to optimize your profile, don't forget to list your relevant work experience, education, and certifications. Lastly, include keywords throughout your profile to enhance discoverability. Step 2. Define your target audience. Knowing your target audience is crucial for creating content that resonates and engages. It allows you to tailor your messages to address their specific needs, challenges, and interests. By understanding your audience, you can maximize the effectiveness of your LinkedIn presence. Start by identifying your target audience based on factors such as industry, profession, or interests. Consider who your ideal connections or clients would be and what they are looking for on LinkedIn. This will help you narrow down your focus and ensure that your content is relevant to your desired audience. Once you have defined your target audience, take the time to understand their pain points and challenges. What are the common issues they face in their industry or profession, etc. Before we dive in more, subscribe now for more valuable LinkedIn tips. Step 3. Create valuable content. Creating valuable content is essential for boosting your LinkedIn presence. Develop content that is informative, relevant, and valuable to your target audience. This could include industry insights, tips, tutorials, or thought-provoking articles. When creating content, consider using keywords strategically to increase discoverability. Use a mix of text, images, and videos to make your content visually appealing and engaging. Consistency is key, so develop a content calendar and stick to a regular posting schedule. By consistently delivering valuable content, you establish yourself as a reliable source of information and attract a loyal following. Encourage interaction by asking questions, inviting opinions, and responding to comments. Step 4. Engage with others. Engagement is the heartbeat of LinkedIn. Actively participating in conversations, groups, and discussions is crucial for building relationships, expanding your network, and increasing your visibility. Here's how you can effectively engage with others on LinkedIn. Join relevant groups and communities related to your industry or areas of interest. These groups provide opportunities to connect with like-minded professionals, share insights, and learn from others. Actively participate in group discussions by providing valuable input, asking thoughtful questions, or sharing relevant articles or resources. Take the time to engage with others' content by liking, commenting, and sharing. When you come across a post or article that resonates with you, leave a genuine comment expressing your thoughts or insights. Engaging with others' content not only helps build relationships, but also increases the visibility of your own profile. Initiate conversations by sending personalized connection requests. When reaching out to new connections, take the time to craft a thoughtful message explaining why you would like to connect and how you can add value to each other. Additionally, utilize LinkedIn's messaging feature to engage in one-on-one conversations with your connections. Share relevant articles, offer assistance, or congratulate them on their achievements. Building genuine relationships through conversations is key to expanding your network and fostering professional connections. Step 5. Showcase your expertise. Showcasing your expertise is crucial for boosting your LinkedIn presence. Use LinkedIn Pulse to publish articles demonstrating your knowledge. Participate in industry-specific groups, sharing valuable insights and engaging in discussions. Create and share various forms of content, such as videos and infographics, to educate and engage your audience. Leverage LinkedIn Live to host webinars or Q&A sessions, showcasing your expertise in real time. Step 6. Engage with LinkedIn company pages. Engaging with LinkedIn company pages enhances your presence and keeps you updated on industry news. Follow relevant company pages to receive updates on their latest activities. Engage with company content by liking, commenting, and sharing. Participate in company events to expand your knowledge and network. Explore job opportunities shared on company pages to align with your career goals. Engaging with LinkedIn company pages demonstrates your active involvement in the industry and helps build relationships with professionals in your field. Step 7. Personalize connection requests. Personalizing connection requests is crucial for building meaningful connections. When sending connection requests, take the time to craft personalized messages. Explain why you would like to connect and how you can add value to each other. Personalized connection requests are more likely to be accepted and can lead to fruitful professional relationships. By personalizing your connection requests, you show genuine interest and establish a solid foundation for future interactions. Step 8. Actively participate in discussions. Active participation in discussions is essential for building relationships and increasing visibility. Join relevant groups and engage in discussions by providing valuable input, asking questions, or sharing relevant articles or resources. By actively participating, you establish yourself as a knowledgeable and engaged professional. Engaging in discussions allows you to connect with like-minded individuals, gain insights, and showcase your expertise within your industry or areas of interest. Step 9. Optimize your LinkedIn headline. Optimizing your LinkedIn headline is crucial for grabbing attention and conveying your professional identity. Craft a headline that highlights your expertise, skills, or unique value proposition. Use relevant keywords to increase discoverability in LinkedIn searches. A compelling and optimized headline not only increases the chances of your profile being found, but also entices viewers to learn more about you. By optimizing your LinkedIn headline, you make a strong first impression and attract the right audience to your profile. Step 10. Leverage recommendations. Recommendations play a significant role in enhancing your LinkedIn presence. Request recommendations from colleagues, clients, or supervisors who can attest to your skills and expertise. These recommendations serve as social proof and enhance your credibility. They provide potential connections and employers with insights into your professional capabilities. Displaying recommendations on your profile demonstrates the quality of your work and helps you stand out from the competition. Step 11. Publish engaging content. Publishing. Engaging content on LinkedIn is a powerful way to boost your presence. Create original and insightful content that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience. Share industry trends, tips, case studies, or thought leadership articles. Use a mix of text, images, videos, and infographics to make your content visually appealing and engaging. Experiment with different formats and topics to keep your audience interested and coming back for more. Encourage interaction by asking questions, inviting opinions, and responding to comments. Consistency is key, so develop a content calendar and stick to a regular posting schedule. Step 12. Engage with others' content. Engaging with others' content is a vital aspect of building your LinkedIn presence. Take the time to like, comment on, and share content shared by your connections and other professionals in your industry. When you come across a post or article that resonates with you, leave a genuine comment expressing your thoughts or insights. Engaging with others' content helps you build relationships, increase visibility, and establish yourself as an active participant in your industry. It also encourages reciprocity, as others are more likely to engage with your content when you actively engage with theirs. Step 13. Network strategically. Networking strategically is essential for maximizing your LinkedIn presence. Identify individuals and organizations in your industry or areas of interest that you would like to connect with. Send personalized connection requests, explaining why you want to connect and how you can provide value. Actively seek out networking opportunities, such as industry events, conferences, or webinars. Engage in conversations and build relationships with professionals in your field. Look for ways to collaborate or offer support to others, as networking is a two-way street. Regularly review your LinkedIn network and identify connections that could benefit from your expertise or vice versa. Step 14. Measure and adjust. To continuously improve your LinkedIn presence, it's important to measure your efforts and make adjustments accordingly. LinkedIn provides analytics and insights on your profile and content performance. Pay attention to metrics such as views, engagement, and click-through rates. Analyze which types of content resonate most with your audience and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Monitor the growth of your network and the quality of your connections. Regularly evaluate your profile to ensure it accurately reflects your professional identity and goals. Take note of feedback and suggestions from your audience and make necessary changes to enhance engagement. LinkedIn is a dynamic platform, so staying adaptable and open to experimentation is key. In conclusion, by following these strategies and tips, you can boost your LinkedIn presence, attract valuable connections, and unlock exciting opportunities. Take action today and watch your professional network grow. Subscribe to our channel now. Thank you for watching and best of luck in boosting your LinkedIn presence.